Hi and a very good day to everyone, especially to my fellow viewers. So for today's video, we are going to present about a questions that is related to applications of differentiation. So our member consists of me myself, which is Aisyah binti Muhammad Izzuddin, Nur Natasha Karina binti Muhammad Syafi'i, Elais Muhammad Safi, Nur Amani Iman binti Hanizam Shah, and Siti Nur Ainul Aina binti Mat Ilyas.
What is surface area? Surface area is the total area occupied by the surface of an object. In real life, we use the concept of surface areas of different objects when we want to wrap something, paint something, and eventually by building things to get the best possible design. Next, there are two categories of surface area. The first one is lateral surface area or curved surface area, which includes only the area of the side faces of the shapes. And the second one is total surface area, which includes the area of all the faces of the shapes. However, there is a different surface area formula for every geometrical shape, but the idea behind all is to get the total area occupied by all the faces of the objects. As for today, we are going to discuss about circular cylinder closed at both sides, and the formula is 2 pi r in bracket r plus h, where is r is the radius and h is the height of the cylinder.
Okay, next we are going to look at problem statement. The volume of a circular cylinder closed at both ends is to be 55 pi cm cubed and find its minimum surface area. To point out, the cylinder is assumed to be closed at both ends, meaning that is a solid cylinder without any opening or holes. Okay, for these slides, we are going to share with you of step by step for this equation. By following this step, we can determine the minimum surface area of given circular cylinder that close at both ends.
So, to find the minimum surface area of a closed circular cylinder with a given volume, we can use differentiation. So, first of all, it is given the volume of the cylinder, which is the 54 pi. Then, as we all know that the volume of cylinder is V equals to pi r squared h. Then the equation of the volume of cylinder equals with the number volume that is given in the questions, which is the 54 pi. So, pi r squared h equals to 54 pi, and h we get 54 pi over pi r squared, pi at the top and the above can be cancelled out, and we get 54 over r squared. Then the surface area S of a closed cylinder is given 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. So S equals to 2 pi r squared. The 2 pi r squared is the area of the circle, and the area of two circle has two of them, so that's why we put 2 in front of the pi r squared. So pi r h is the area of an open cylinder. So we know that h is equals to 54 over r squared that we already calculated at the beginning. So we replace the h from the surface area S of a closed cylinder with the h that we already calculated, which is 54 over r squared. Then we get S equals to 2 pi r squared plus 108 pi over r. After that, to minimize the surface area, we need to find the critical points by taking the derivative of S with respect to r and setting it to 0. So we differentiate the equation that we already calculated just now. So we get the S over the r equals to 4 pi r minus 108 pi over r squared. After we differentiate the equation, we equal the equation to 0. So 4 pi r minus 108 pi over r squared equals to 0. We make the r as the subject, so r equals to 3. After we find r, we substitute r into the h equation that we found it earlier, which is h equals to 54 over r squared. Then we put the r into the h equation, which is 54 over 3 squared, and we get 54 over 9 equals to 6. So we already find the radius and also the height. Then we substitute the radius and the height into the surface area equation, which is the 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. So we will replace the r and the h with 3 and 6. So we get s equals to 2 pi 3 squared plus 2 pi 3 times 6. Then final answer is 54 pi. Therefore, the minimum surface area of the cylinder is 54 pi cm squared.
So the conclusion is, we can conclude that the objectives we use in these problems are accepted. The solution we use to find the value of the circular cylinder minimum surface area are succeeded. That's all from us. Thank you.